Are you suffering from fever, skin disease, itching, cough, burning sensation, and edema? Then this video is for you. Hi everyone, welcome to SKL Ayurveda and Siddha, and today I'm going to be talking about a magic herb which acts as a solution to all the problems that I just mentioned, and the name of that herb is Kiratatikta. So, in case of fever, what you can do is you can have the kashaya or decoction prepared with Kiratatikta, again infused with coriander leaves. In case of skin diseases, the decoction prepared with equal amounts of Kiratatikta, neem and triphala is used to wash the wounds and chronic ulcers. In case of itching, the Kiratatikta medicated oil is used by applying over the skin lesions. In case of cough and cold, ginger, Kiratatikta and pepper infused kashayam is consumed. In case of daha or burning sensation, the Kiratatikta decoction is used. In case of edema, the paste of ginger and Kiratatikta is used. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. For more such videos, kindly like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.